you mean, is it? Did I just see someone? Did I just see someone? I'm losing it.
Here's someone.
You do?
For the helmets and the backpack.
What was that one shot? Was that you?
Oh, that's someone else.
What?
Someone
Oh,
else.
shit, someone across the street.
He's in my backyard.
Fuck the AK, man. I can't hit anything. I wanna go kill him.
I'm lagging. The fuck?
I hate the AK. I might as well just pull a fucking pistol out.
Oh, I'm coming. You wait. I can give you AR if you want.
I'm running. I don't even have one, but there's a guy. I'm like surrounded, so.
Really? I'm just gonna come to you then.
There's two guys. There's one behind me and one to the left of me.
Where? Just come to me. Come across the street.
I was just waiting. You said wait for you.
Like, don't push him.
I wasn't pushing him. I was behind him. The other one's behind this house.
Which one? The white gray one?
I don't know. He was in the yard. I don't know where he is now. He's gone.
I heard him, I think.
He was. Oh, there's a car. Yeah, he's at that house.
Hey, he might be pushing you.
Oh, yeah, he is. He's here. There's two of them. I hate the AK! There's another guy behind you. Near the house, behind you.
Where?
Near the house, right where we came from. In that backyard. Yeah, he's...
Oh, he's in the fucking cop car.